Alright guys, here's the new bundle from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and it's called the Lumen Detailing Bundle. It's the bundle that I created because a lot of people ask me what I use to detail my cars. And this is essentially the easiest bundle you'll ever get. So here it is, a letter from them, and it comes with
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so here's what it comes with for real. You get this microfiber madness Incredimit, which is the best wash mitt. You get CarPro Lift as your pre-wash snow foam. And then you put this in the 2-bucket method, or just one if that's your thing. Reset, which is a way to help rejuvenate your coating. And then finally, well, not finally, but I'm just going based on my process, that I would use Hydro 2 Light after the car has been completely cleaned. And then once you spray that on the car, you're all done. You just wipe it dry with this CarPro's new dehydrate towel with 1 peanut. High absorption microfiber drying towel. I have 2 of these, and even one is just enough. Even with a Sienna, I just use one of these and it freaking dries the whole thing. But yeah, that's what you get. Pretty cool stuff. Try it out. So here, Eric's gonna demonstrate how to use this stuff.
Hold on, wait a second. I gotta do all this shit.
Yeah, there's protective sealant. If it's opened, if that, oh, there's a B. If there's a, your phone. If that silver cap is not there, that means I wouldn't use it. I would try to get a refund. So you put water in here, and then you kind of just put until you get to the next tab. If you're looking at the measurements, and then that should be good right there. And now here is reset. You open it, and there's a protective barrier.
Too protected.
It's too good of a protection. Alright, we got it opened. He used his teeth. And then you just put right about there. You can use the cap. You kind of just kept pouring it, but 1 cap is 1 ounce, and in a 5-gallon bucket, well, we didn't exactly fill up the entire 5-gallon, which is fine because we're not gonna need it for a small car like this. All right, here we go. Gotta use the wash mitt.
Nice.
What do you think? It's his first time using it, so.
Very soft. Thick too, very plush.
Yeah, it's one of the best ones out there. So now it's nice and foamy, the mitt is in there, and now he's gonna spray it down. Yeah, so the next part is to put this in your foam cannon and foam the car. Here we go. All right, so after you foam up the car, you just let it sit for maybe a minute or two. Luckily, it's really shaded right now and it's cloudy. Beautiful day to be washing cars. So yeah, just let it sit. And then you wash it. You do the contact wash with the microfiber madness incrediment. What do you think of it so far, Eric?
Well, it just glides over the surface.
Yeah, that thing is freaking sweet, dude.
You don't need to put your hand in there either if you don't want to. You can just press over it.
Oh, also, this could be also a video of an update on the Polish Angel coating, because we did this TTRS this time last year. And I remember because it was right before Alpine Volks Fair, which is a Volkswagen Audi show. Yeah, and I mean, you guys saw the water behavior. It was pretty insane. Crazy water beating. It's been about a year. The car is washed regularly. I want to say maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. And yeah, if you want your ceramic coating to last on your car, just make sure you use the right products to wash it, which is the bundle that I came out with. Because a lot of customers, like I said, that I've ceramic coated their cars for them, they're always asking how should I maintain it, and I would have to send them the links individually. But this makes it so easy because I can just send them that one link, or you can Google CarPro Lumen and you'll find it there. So yeah, after the contact wash, obviously you wash the soap off, and then we're gonna be using, guess what's next? The towel or the Hydro 2 Light. Find out in the next episode. Just kidding, you'll find out right now. So actually, funny enough, Eric rolled up the reel. But you need the water to activate Hydro 2 Light. So now we have to unreel it, which will just take a second. But essentially, what you do is you shake it up, spray this on the car, like a small panel, and then you spray it off with water. And it activates like instantaneously, so you'll see a difference right away. Alright, here you go. We'll show you how easy it is to use. You just spray it like that, and then spray it off with a pressure washer. Dude, the best place to use it is this crazy RS grills, because you can spray it like 1, 2, 3 and then spray it off, and now your grill is coated. So you just do the entire car, and then it takes maybe, I don't know, a couple of minutes, and then your car is coated. So this is a really good option for anyone that doesn't want to do a full ceramic coating. You just want to, protect your car in the most cost efficient possible. This is it, man. Hydro 2 Light. Man, check out that water beating. Pretty crazy. You can also use this on the wheels and your windows. And honestly, I think this should last you maybe 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the weather conditions, obviously, depending on where you live. If it's like a, I don't know, crazy place, where your car will get dirty all the time, no matter what. Alright, and now finally it's the dehydrate fold. Yeah, check that out. So in comparison to Eric, who is 5'11", he's only 4'3". But yeah, it's a pretty big towel, and it's two-sided, so you can use the fluffy side for the hood. And if you, there you go, dude, look how it just picks up all the water. Like, that is freaking nuts, dude. So yeah, literally the freaking towel just absorbed all of this water. It's freaking magic, dude. Eric, what do you think of the towel, dude?
That's amazing. I think we could do the whole car without even having to wring it out.
Yeah, we'll see.
Still feels like it has plenty of absorption left. It's nice, I can just drape it over because it has some weight to it.
Oh yeah, once the water gets accumulated in there.
I kind of like to fold it in half so it gets a little bit more.
Right.
Applying pressure to it.
That makes sense. That's a good way to do it, because I like to spread it out, like straight up spread eagle on my hood, and then pull it. But this is awesome. So you learn new shit every day, man. As long as you listen to what other people have to say, you learn something, dude.
Now I can use the dry side because it still has so much absorption left to wipe everything else off on the sides.
Man, high IQ move right there. See, with me, I like to stick to the Ooga Booga method. And here are the results from using the bundle I've created in collaboration with Sky Car Care. Even if your car is not ceramic coated, this bundle will work amazingly. So I hope you try it out. Leave a review if you like it, or if there's anything that you want us to include in there, just let us know. And thank you, and bye bye.